reaction video. Today I will be reacting to James Graham versus Rene. Dian, I think it's Dian Rene. The 4 season 2 episode 4. So guys, I'm gonna get right into this. I don't know, I guess James, because the other reaction videos I did, when they told me the title, the song, it was the person who actually had the seat that was singing the song. So I'm guessing James is the one who's singing Human Nature. Oh Lord, I love Michael Jackson, so he's just gonna just James. Okay, I just decided to fix my hair like this. I don't know why. Anyway, so let's jump right into this video. But before I do, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Turn on post notifications so you get notified when I'm posting. Don't ring that bell. What I say? Ring the bell so you get notified when I'm posting. Yeah, let's just jump right into this video.
I'll go for James.
Last week I got challenged by Christian. I sung Lately by Stevie Wonder.
And the winner of this challenge is James!
I was so glad that I won, but
Why did you change the key of the song, man?
didn't like the fact that I changed the key in the Stevie Wonder song.
It would be so impressive to hear these notes, and I heard it towards the end of the song.
I think James is a force to be reckoned with. With that being said, I don't think we've seen the best of James.
3 years ago, I came out to LA to pursue my dream of being an artist, and I was lucky enough to land a deal with one of Michael Jackson's former producers, which was incredible because, like, Michael Jackson was someone who's a massive idol for me. So when things didn't work out and the deal fell through, I lost a lot of faith in the music industry, but my love for music never went, and that's why I'm still here as one of the 4. Diddy was right. I haven't shown all that I've got. So tonight, I'm going to go hard, and I'm going to prove to everyone why I've got my seat up there.
I like it. I like James. Come on, Human Nature.
Looking out, the city winds its sleepless eye. Hear her voice, shake my window, sweet seduce inside. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does it do me that way?
Oh, she is feeling that song.
Reaching out.
Hey, you better hit that Michael.
Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl? She knows I'm watching.
Oh.
She likes the way I stare. They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do me that way?
No,
This way. I like to love in this way.
oh my God.
Reaching out.
Oh, that's like, oh, you just don't end it. Okay. Okay, great. Okay. Oh. It's just so extra.
That's what's up. That's what's up. You got my attention now.
Oh. What's that all you talking about?
A la que cuido y con toda el alma recupero el color que había perdido, porque encontró un cuidador que la regara. Te fui poniendo
dance on that song the other day. Yeah. Oh my God.
Let's see what our panel has to say. Callie.
Dian, I felt like I was at a concert.
Yeah. Same.
James, you're incredible, man.
Thank you.
I definitely think you're secure in the bag.
Did it.
I have a new alter ego. Yeah, another one. But I have this guy that I've been holding back, and I need you to help me with him. His name is Salsa Negro. And no matter what happens here tonight, I need you to give me some salsa classes, okay? I think you represented your people to the fullest in a big way. Cuba is proud of you. James, you showed me a whole nother side of you. You have what it takes, bro.
Thank you so much.
All right, audience, you've heard what the panel thinks. Now it is up to you. Who do you think deserves a seat on the floor? Please vote now.
I love James. But that other guy, he did really good too. I like his performance too.
James got it.
Is it going to be James Graham? Or Dian Rene?
Very talent, go.
Come on, man.
Oh.
Who won?
All right, here we go. Is it going to be James Graham, member of the four? Or Dian Rene, our challenger?
And the winner of this challenge is
Come on now.
James Graham. James Graham, you have defended your seat.
What do you feel right now?
Yeah, it's just, I don't really cry. I mean, British people don't really cry, guys. And on the way back up to my seat, I just gonna, like, I don't know, it's like, even now I'm getting emotional. Now I don't get emotional. When my English friends see this, they're like, what are you doing? But it's just such an overwhelming thing. It just means so, so much to me, and I really appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much.
James Graham, please go reclaim your seat on the floor. Congratulations,
Talk so
James.
fast.
Your seat is now locked for the night.
Dian, you gave a great performance. Is there anything you want to say to the audience?
I just want to say that I'm so grateful, and this is just an open door for me. That's all.
Maybe a little salsa lesson?
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yes! Judy, you want to come up? Come on.
Oh my gosh. Look at her. He said, he over here.
Dian!
No, sir.
Everybody, give it up for Dian Rene! Rock your pen with pride.
I didn't get a chair today, but I know that my people is so proud of me. This is not the end for me.
James did that.
Yeah.
And that's what it's about. We want to see if we can break them.
Sometimes we gotta put them through a challenge to make sure that we got the right.
How'd you go stop right there? They're just gonna cut him off. They just said, forget what you're saying. They're just gonna cut you off. I was trying to see what else he was gonna say. Anyways. Okay, so, yeah, that was really good. James. I had saw him on a show before, like Lorian Gibson, the dancer choreographer. I saw him on her show before and whatnot, and she was like trying to get him out of his shell and, you know, like the stage presence thing and whatnot. So I had saw him on there before and I heard him sing, and I was just like, oh, he can sing and stuff. Yeah. And then like I know he was in like a boy group at one time, boy band, whatever. He was in one, and I knew of them. And then I saw him on the show. I was like, oh, that's the same guy. Stuff like that, and then just hear him sing more on the show, just like he's awesome. Like he's really good. Like he is really good. And the other guy, Dian, Rene, he was really good too, y'all. Like really, really good. So yeah, they were both awesome. James killed that human nature. So I'm like, oh my gosh, you better do it. You better. I don't see him going anywhere like on the show. I see him staying in his seat. Like I don't know if y'all feel the same way. Comment your opinions on this battle right here, and any other battles between him and someone else, and tell me if you think that he's gonna stay too, because I think he is. Yeah, guys. So if you enjoyed that, like, comment, subscribe for more. Ring the bell so you get notified when I post. What else I was going to say? Follow my Instagram at _.yazzy_. And at my Snapchat at @ILove_demo. And I'm gonna add you back. And yeah, guys, I'm done with this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.